Hey good people, welcome to Nasike's Kitchen. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly do. We'll really appreciate. And also like, comment and share. Today I'm going to show you how to make a very powerful drink which is very healthy, containing pineapple peels, lemon, cardamom and ginger. And I want to talk about the benefits of lemon as I cut them into small pieces. 1, it helps to control weight. 2, it improves digestion or digestive health, and there are so many other benefits. Second, I'm going to talk about pineapple peels. If you've been taking pineapple, you cut them well and you throw away pineapple peels, from today you should keep those pineapple peels and make tea out of them. And these are some of the benefits. It enhances digestion, it relieves cough, it promotes good health, among others. Thirdly, I'm going to talk about benefits of cardamom. Cardamom has antibacterial properties. It lowers blood sugar and also helps in inflammation. Moreover, I want to talk about ginger, the health benefits. It lowers blood sugar, lowers cholesterol, better digestion, improves immune, and it gives one healthier skin. In my cooking pot, I've added water, 3 cups, the pineapple peels, the lemon, and the ginger. And I'll stir so that everything can be able to mix or incorporate together as they cook. Then I'll cover. After 2 to 3 minutes, it's cooking well. I'll cover again. It's looking so nice. I'll add the cardamom, and the aroma that is coming out, it's like air freshener. It's so nice. So I'll stir or mix again and it's ready. So I'll serve. You can let it rest for about 5 minutes and then you serve. Or you can let it be in the refrigerator or the fridge until it cools and then you take it. It's also okay. So I'll save. After that, I'll add 1.5 tablespoons of sugar. It's optional though. You can use honey or you can take it that way. It's very much fine. And by the way, this drink does not have a specific time to take. You can take it any time of the day. And guys, when you're used to, natural things and very healthy, they are so addictive. You won't go for the processed ones. So I had to enjoy myself. And cheers for everyone that is watching me. There it is. Guys, remember to like, comment, share, and watch my YouTube videos, and I will really appreciate. Thank you for watching.